Before now, I have been using the free version, creating my videos, creating nice thumbnails and all of that. But with this pro version, I've really done a whole lot more, and I want to come and share with you guys. I've done a video related to how I create my thumbnails in the past. This particular one is just an update video, also tell you some features I personally discovered and enjoyed while I was using the pro version. And now that the pro version is expiring today, being the 16th of September 2025, I'm now considering if I should start paying for the premium version, because trust me, I really had a swell time. So this particular video is just going to be about some features I have been enjoying with the pro version, like the background remover, magic resize, access to premium templates and images, like lots and lots of images. That has really been so cool, and some text and fonts that are on the pro version. So this could be an opportunity to show you how I also create my own thumbnails as well, and I'll talk about the impact of Canva in my personal life. If you're interested, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex. I'm a content creator, spoken word poet, and a movie audio editor. Today's video is very interesting because I'll be talking about Canva, my experience using Canva and every other good stuff related to how I create my thumbnails. And I'd like to appreciate everybody that has been coming back to watch my videos, my returning subscribers, those watching this video for the first time. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I really appreciate you. If you have not subscribed already, please hit the red cute subscribe button, turn on post notification. When I post another video, you are notified. And thank you so much for watching this video. I believe at this point, a lot of people are very aware of what to do with Canva. Canva is just that platform where you get to do lots and lots of designs. So I have been using Canva to design my thumbnails, invoice, birthday cards, a whole lot I have been doing with Canva. And most importantly, sometimes I create illustration videos or illustration images to best explain whatever it is I'm talking about in any of my videos. And that has really been, a game changer, because it's going to be very boring. People are looking at just my face, no reference image, nothing to tell them what they are watching. So using Canva just add that spice to my videos, and I have been loving the entire experience. This particular video, my target is to mainly talk about the pro features that I have enjoyed when I got the email to use Canva Pro for the first time for 30 days, and I tried it out. It was really nice. Okay, let me talk about the remove background feature. It's just the click of a button. Before now, what I used to do is I have like other platforms where I put my images to take out the background. Either I use Photo Room or remove.bg. These are the two platforms I've been using to remove the background of my pictures, and I now upload them on Canva and start to design. But now with the Canva Pro, just put that picture, click on the button, and it definitely automatically takes out the background, and then you start to design your thumbnail just like that. So that's one feature I really enjoyed because it was pretty easy and simple. Canva already is a platform that is beginner friendly. Anybody can use Canva, just like most creative platforms. They have features that you pay for and features that are free but limited in terms of what you can do with them. But if you pay for the subscription based on your budget, you get to explore as much as possible with whatever you want to design or create. Let us compare free version of Canva and the pro version of Canva. So one thing about designing on Canva is that if you are using the pro version, you have access to everything that you need. If you are using the free version, you have limited resources to work with. But can you work with the free version? Yes, you can, just that you have to find other ways to be a lot more creative, because some things that you pay for, you just have to find alternatives. So if you look at Canva, I'm on this page where you can see create a design. There are so many things you can design here. You can design sheets, documents, whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor, videos, websites. You can, make custom sites, you can upload and all that feature. So that is the first part of this introduction to Canva. So once you come on any Canva page, as you guys can see, I just have 1 day left before the whole Canva expires. The first thing I do when it comes to creating my thumbnail is to have an idea of what exactly I want to achieve. Sometimes I can go to ChatGPT to just get ideas of what to do, but for this particular video, I don't have any ideas that I got from anywhere. Whatever I'll be creating is just on the spot, and if it's good, we're going to use it. If it's not good, we'll replace it. That is what creativity is about, exploring until you are comfortable with whatever you want to put out there. So what I want to do right now is a thumbnail. So what I like to do most times for ease, I just type thumbnail so that it gives me the exact size, because one thing about creating content for YouTube is that most things have their sizes. So for example, like your YouTube banner has its own size, your thumbnail has its own recommended size. I just feel like documenting this moment to also say thank you to Canva as well for this opportunity to be able to explore, to be able to have an idea of what it feels like to use the pro version and tell the story from my own point of view, not like, someone else's. Like you can see here on my screen, I have lots and lots of thumbnail ideas. So there are some times that I just pick a particular template and tweak them. I'm looking at this image here. I think let me just click this one. At least if I can tweak one or two things, that would be really nice. But this particular guy, let me see if I can replace him with my own picture. So I already took a picture of myself before I'm making this video. I will just go to upload, and once I come to upload, I will click on one of the pictures I have here. It's either this one or this one. So looking at it, I think let me try this one, the first one, and see how it's going to look like. So I just come here and just click on remove background. Pretty simple and easy. It takes out the background. Okay. Now it's telling me that to get another 30 days, I have to get another free trial. This is nice. Okay, so it's telling me to get another 30 days free trial, blah, 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 blah. Let me see if I click on another free trial. Let's see. Okay, so it's telling me that today free trial, I should cancel anytime. Okay, let me see what is next. Most likely, maybe I might have to pay for it. I don't know. I think for me to get this now, it's looking like I have to pay for it. So at this point, it's now telling me to put my card details, all that information. Okay, at this particular point, I don't think I'm ready yet to put in my card details and start talking about, all that. So I'll just skip that for now. Okay, so another thing I noticed when I was enjoying the pro version, I noticed this yellow thing. It was black, which means I could use them. But now that it's back on yellow, I have to pay for them. So I'll just go to photo room. Let me go to photo room and I upload my image. So I upload my image there, then it will remove the background for me, and I come and upload it here. When I'm designing my thumbnails, I like to duplicate the pages. Reason being that I can have access to anything I feel I would need here. For example, this subscribe now, I'm going to delete that because I personally don't need it for this particular video. I'm going to edit this particular one. Canva Pro. But yeah, so stretch out this one. I tried Canva Pro. So this particular white I'm going to put for free here, since it's a different color. For free, so it's gonna be obvious. I just duplicated this for free, and last thing I'll do here is I like the question mark, but I don't know if I will keep it. So I think I like what I have here. What I noticed I've been doing lately is I don't just do things like this anymore. I like to layer the background of my thumbnail, so that way it makes it look a lot more interesting. What I'll do here is simple. Go to edit, then I like to work with this particular shadow. Then this is what I use most of the time. So with this one, I can choose to size how I want it to be. You guys can see what's happening here. So I can now choose to drag this out, then it gives that black contrast if I want, or I try this one out and this is what I get. So it's any of those. Let me see if I can increase the amount of shadow I get, but I don't really like this one. I'm going to use glow. Why I like this one is that it brings me out of the background, like it separates my image from the background of the thumbnail. Then position it this way. I like to duplicate the picture so that I get more of what I'm looking for. So like you guys can see already, it's there. So another thing I do is I like to resize and see how it looks like, so I know what I'm working with. Then I go back again and I'm going to add other things. So I like this yellow here because already what I'm wearing has yellow on it, and my headband is yellow as well. So guys, with everything I've been creating, it looks nice like this. Normally I would just stop here and say, oh, I have a thumbnail. What I've been doing lately is to do a lot more, make the thumbnail as interesting as possible. So what are the things I'm thinking of adding now? I think I want to add other elements at the background so that it looks a lot more interesting to look at. I like it when people ask me, how did you do that? So let us go to the more advanced way of making this look a lot more appealing to the eyes. So please stick around and let me know what you think in the comment section. So far so good. If you want me to do a tutorial of how to use Canva, tell you what design is, elements, text, brand, upload, tool, projects, apps, and magic media, let me know. I'll take my time to do all that breakdown for you. But if you don't want that, also let's just keep working based on how we are learning. Some people can look at this and be like, oh, this is really cute, But I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, what else do I want to add? So let me think about what I've been doing. So I'm thinking of adding anything that has to do with design or handwork or somebody working. So let's just get to work and see what you can achieve. So let me go to elements. When I come here on elements, I have options of things to work with. And let me just type create. Let me see, type create here and see what this is going to be about. Create, right, create joy. I wish I was still on Canva Pro. I would have just easily clicked on any of this and just blurred it, but let's just see, let's just see, might get something nice. That's one of the limitations with Canva free version. There's so many nice things I've been seeing here. Like if I was still using the Canva Pro, this particular create would have been really nice. I'd have added it. It should already tell me remove watermark, so I don't want that. Yeah, so let's continue. Let's go back to what we are looking for. Let me actually go for pictures, photo. Let me see if I can get something that looks very, very nice. Okay, I think this picture is free, so I'll click on this. So I'll click on this particular image, try to resize it so that it doesn't pass this yellow stuff. I'll go to position, then start clicking backwards, backward, 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 backward. So what I have now looks nice. Then I'll come to this particular transparency and then start feeding it in. So at least looking at this now, it looks a lot more interesting than the way it was looking before. So if I want to crop the image, I still have access to that. So what I will just do is try to resize the image as possible. Let's see what you can do. Okay, so I think I'm happy with what I have, honestly. I think I love this particular thumbnail. So that is going to be the thumbnail for this particular video. I tried Canva Pro. Let's say I want to be a lot more interesting. I can choose to highlight this for free and change the color if I want. Let's say I want the color to be blue. I just come here, click on blue. So I tried Canva Pro for free and that is showing blue. So why I like to have different colors when I'm creating is that at least there's something that will catch your eyes. So looking at this particular one now, I tried Canva Pro for free and you are seeing that for free in a different color. It catches your eyes faster than when it would have just been like that. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. The whole idea of creating this particular video is to do two things. The first one is to show you guys how I create my thumbnails, in 2025, give you guys a glimpse of what it feels like. The second one is also to tell you my experience with the Canva Pro that I used for 30 days. Unfortunately, today I'm filming this video was when the Canva Pro expired. Today is 16th of September 2025. All along I've been using my Canva free version. I was enjoying everything until this moment. I just realized that actually I think I need to explore more of the Pro version because I feel it has given me a lot more images to work with. That's actually rebranded most of the things I have been doing. So far so good. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. If you want me to do a lot more elaborate video talking about Canva, let me know as well in the comment section. I'll definitely oblige. So that is my experience for Canva Pro and that was how I created my thumbnail for this video. Let me know if you have more questions, suggestions, and I'll, carry you guys along with my entire process. So I've been looking at this clothes of mine. Trust me, it's really nice. I like it. I like the feel. But I cannot just get over the shoulder pad in the clothes. It's been a long time I wore any clothes that has shoulder pad. So I think it feels a bit weird, a bit awkward, but I kind of like the design, With everything being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys as we progress in life. Yeah. Peace out. Thank you.
My crew, you're my starry sky. Lifting me up, you make me fly. Every view, every like, you're my treasure chest. Thank you, my crew.